everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Boni and this is Happy Space Creates. Today I'm going to be filming a pattern haul for you, but before we get started, don't forget, if you like this video, give it a quick thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I recently did a lot of spending online and I can't wait to show you what I got. So I'm going to get stuck in with the Vikisews patterns. I purchased 8 patterns over the weekend. So I'm going to be going through one by one the ones that I picked up with some little inspirational style pics on the side there so that hopefully you can get stuck in too. Now first things first, I'm going to approach the elephant in the room. Vikisews is a Russian sewing pattern company, and I know what you're thinking, I can't speak Russian. Me neither. But basically there's Google Translate and it's your best friend. There's loads of facilities for online for you to translate those patterns and instructions, and also there's sew along videos that you can follow on YouTube, so there's actually nothing really holding you back from making them. I dove in head first in January. I bought my first pattern, which was the Deborah blouse, and I just loved it and I thought, gonna give it a go. What's the worst that could happen? And I got a really cute top out of it. So basically it was a win-win. And then when I saw over the weekend that she had another sale on, I just couldn't resist. How Vikisews works is, rather than selling you a pattern that comes in like a size range from 6 to 24, she just will sell the size that you need. So all you need to do is, when you find a pattern that you like, you click the purchase and you just select your height, and then comparing to the size guide, you just pick the one that you need. And actually a pattern that's made just for your size is perfect, because you're saving not only money, you're saving paper when you're printing it, and you're also saving time on the fitting process. So the Deborah blouse that I made, I literally made it straight out the packet and it fitted a treat, so it's minimal effort from your behalf. So actually the fact that it is in a different language isn't actually a big deal, because the fitting side of things is really minimal. Also on Instagram, they have the Russian hashtags. So obviously not a lot of people in the UK are sewing Vikisews at the moment, but if you type into Instagram Vikisews and then just put the underscore, you will see all the hashtags for all of the patterns she has. Just click on those, have a scroll and see what people are making. So Vikisews recently had a sale on. I saw it advertised via Instagram and I knew that I had to head over there and see what they had on offer. Now most of her patterns anyway are around about 120 rubles up to about the 300 ruble mark. When you do the exchange rate, it actually isn't that much at all. I think the most expensive pattern she has is around about £3. So it's really affordable place to shop. Most of the patterns I purchased were about only 90 pence each, which is insane, considering these are really high fashion sewing trends, and you would go into New Look and purchase some of these outfits for like 50, 60 pounds. So in total, I spent 612 Russian rubles. Now in Great British pounds, I spent £5.84 on 8 different patterns. You just don't get that. So first things first, I downloaded the Viki Dress. This is actually a free pattern on their website, so if you're considering giving it a go, I really think you should start with this one, because you're not spending anything, so it's nothing lost. The Viki Dress has a beautiful ruffle detail down the princess seams here. Now I don't know if it actually is a princess seam, I don't know, but there's these adorable little ruffles along here. It is a long sleeve and it has an elasticated bottom here, so it is quite like a little puffy sleeve. You could also size down the sleeves if you didn't like the puff, but I think it's a really girly pattern. It's so cute. You could wear it autumn, winter, summer, depending on the fabric you choose. So if you want to try one, this is it. I've seen it in that kind of style. I've seen in a lot of shops. I saw in New Look recently that they had this leopard print, kind of like it's a floaty bottom. It's quite oversized, but definitely that ruffle detail is a trend that isn't going away at the moment. So I'm keen to make lots of this basically. Next up is the Marcella Pants. These are a sort of skinny straight leg trousers with just a zip button up at the front and then 2 pockets on the back. They're really flattering on the model, and to be honest, I would make exactly what is in this picture. I also would really like to play about with like a silk or satin waistband or detail on it, just to give it like that high sheen look. I think it's really, really trendy. I would wear this with a cute little crop top and a blazer. It's really versatile. Also, you could make it in a more casual fabric like denim if you wanted to. It's a really good way to practice making trousers if you've never done it before, which I haven't done it before, so I'm going to give that a go. Next up is the Bruni Pants. I think that's how you say it. These are a wider legged, almost like palazzo pants. They have a cute little tie detail at the top. They look like they're going to be made out of stretchy fabric, but I haven't explored the instructions much to find that out. But I definitely think I'm vibing like a really like floral print, like quite out there. But I definitely did see on one of the fashion websites a Dalmatian print, like really wide-legged like trouser, and I thought that was so cool because you could wear it with just a plain black like cami top, and I thought it was really nice. So I'm definitely going to be making some in Dalmatian, maybe like a khaki colour, but that is top of my list to make for summer. Now, number 4 on my list is the Daker blazer dress. The blazer dress is really trendy at the moment. It's it's a trend that isn't going away. I saw a lot of people on some of the reality trash TV dating shows that I've been watching wearing blazer dresses and cycling shorts. Cycling shorts aren't my thing, but a blazer dress definitely is. Just sophisticated, it looks so nice, very Chanel-like, but I really like the idea of the black and white version as well. I saw this on Shein, and I quite like the idea of having like a little peak of like black, maybe some black buttons, a black buckle, and like the insides of the pockets, like just like a little touch just to give it a little bit more difference of like detail. I want to make one exactly like this in the picture, so in a nice cream sort of satin fabric. Next up is the Boni shorts, these ones right here. Now, I will admit I only bought these Boni shorts because they are named Boni, obviously. So when I bought this pattern, I was like, have to have those, they're named after me, obviously. But when I was doing more research and having a little look of like some style inspiration, this is like a short like skirt pattern, so like a skirt type short. This is actually everywhere right now, and it's not something that I've noticed because we are in peak winter, but I think like this summer this is going to be a really big trend, and I think it's got like Clueless vibes to it. In the picture here they've made them out of quite a tailored like formal looking wear fabric, but then also I saw this adorable denim pair with a ruffle that you can just add on the bottom, and I was like, again, yes, need to have those. So I'm really excited about the Boni shorts because it wasn't really something that I was expecting. I thought I was just putting it in my basket for like one reason, and now I'm like, yeah, I love that, I can't wait to wear that. So 6 on my list is the Lindsey hoodie pattern. This is a really casual wear pattern. I wanted to purchase patterns that I would make quite a few of and get a lot of wear out of them as well. I would like to wear this to work. If I made it in the right fabric, I think I could wear this as like a comfy work from home outfit. I'm thinking like a black Sherpa or even like a cream, something like this. But I think I would get a lot of wear on like dog walks and stuff like that. We spend quite a lot of time outside, so I would wear this a lot. I was looking online again, doing my research, and I found this one, which is almost identical to the pattern. So I think this is a great find, and I'm really pleased that I picked this pattern up. Next up is the Ripley Dress. This is a Bardo kind of sleeve dress, so it's off the shoulder, and it has this beautiful like ruching detail at the front. Again, I think this is really trendy at the moment. You're seeing a lot of the bigger pattern companies bringing things like this out. I know that in the latest McCall's summer release, they've got like quite a lot of like ruched sleeved like tops. So I feel like this is a trend that's really going to be seen a lot of. Again, you could make this in numerous different types of fabric, and you could make this like 7 times and get different looks out of each. I think this is probably going to be my like first night out dress. If I made it in the right fabric, I think this would really like be a bit of a showstopper. So I'm really excited about that one. I would quite like to make this in like a crisp blue shirting fabric for the summer. I just think it would be really like refreshing, and you could style it loads of different ways. And I've seen a lot of these kind of styles in the shops as well. So again, I had to have it, just had to. Now lastly, I got the Gloria dress. So the Gloria dress was one of the patterns that I had seen on YouTube in a sew along. Shout out to the crafterpreneur who had a Vikisews sew along series. I got a lot of my style inspiration from that video as well. So the Gloria dress, again, I can see myself wearing autumn and winter if I was like boots and some tights. I think it would be really cute. I'm a big fan of gingham. I would like to wear this in the summer as well, but I feel like my wardrobe has too much of that already. So I definitely would like to explore with different fabrics I could make it in. I would probably make it in some cute summer floral ditzy prints. But then come winter, I thought, oh, maybe like a suede would be like really nice, and that would be really quite like sort of like autumn, going out for dinner, cocktails maybe, that kind of thing. So I'm really looking forward to making the Gloria dress, and I think I will make loads of them. Oh my god, this headband is literally giving me a migraine. So thanks for watching today, and if you like this video, give it a little thumbs up, and I'll see you really soon. Bye! Thanks for watching!